Hello beauties and welcome back. Well, I'm in a different place today doing this video. It's going to be a hair video. I'm in another bathroom and I know you hear this sound, this echoey sound. I hope that you guys don't mind. I thought this would be a better place, a little bit better lighting, but I'm not even for sure now. I thought it would be better lighting, but I'm coming off dark a little bit. But can you forgive me this time for this video? I really wanted to do this video for you guys. And this video is going to be on when I need a quick, fresh hairstyle in under 2 hours, at least 2.5 hours, when I'm trying to do something real quick and I need it fast, like getting up on Saturday and knowing my hair like, and my husband want to go do something. I'm like, okay. This is one hairstyle that I do. I don't do this often because it requires me to do heat. As you know, or I have said before, I don't use a lot of heat on my hair. So with saying that, I'm using a blow dryer today and I'm using flat irons. So that's going to be the extent of my heat that I'm using today. But I come to you already freshly washed. I have conditioned my hair. I didn't do a deep conditioner, I just did a quick conditioner because I will later on redo my hair. So let's get started here. I washed my hair as I've told you already, and I washed it using the Shea Moisture. This is the Damage Rehab conditioner right here. And I've used this before and I do like it. And this is for, it says soften and repair frazzled hair. And I really do like it. So this is the conditioner and then this is the shampoo right here. So this is my combination of a shampoo and conditioner that I use today. Now, like I said, I'm already washed, so I'm gonna take my hair down. And I normally would blow dry my hair, but I'm gonna go ahead and blow dry it today. I would sit up under a hair dryer, just tie it down and sit up under a hair dryer normally. And so I tried to get some of this, that string hanging. Try to get as much water out of my hair as possible here. And it's damp, so. And now I am going to go in with my favorite leave-in conditioner, which is by Carol's Daughter. And it's the hair milk, and it's the leave-in. My all-time favorite. I use this, I have repurchased this now twice. So I really do love it that much. So I'm gonna put in about, maybe a little bit more in there. About like that. All over my head. I do believe in a leave-in conditioner. I definitely do. But if you have thinner hair, the problem with that is there'll be probably too many products. You don't want to put too many products if your hair is thinner. More thinner than mine. I said thinner, but if you have thin or thin hair, I wouldn't at all. And then my favorite styling foam is by Carol's Daughter too. And it's just the Hair Milk Nourishing and Conditioning Styling Foam. And it says it moisturizes, improves the softness, and helps prevent frizz. I'm gonna tell you, I love this holy grail right here. And I found when I was trying to figure one day, I used a different foaming gel, well, styling foam. And I realized when I did that my scalp began to itch. And I realized using this one, it has no parabens and stuff, but the other one had parabens in it. This stuff, it was just a styling gel. I just picked up a styling foam, that I picked up quickly in the store because they didn't have this one at the time. Nope, all styling foams are not the same, ladies, not engines. Not all styling foams are the same. Okay, now that I've done that, guess what? I walked in here with no comb and no brush. Be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm gonna use my big comb to detangle my hair, and then I'll use my paddle brush to flat iron my hair. To blow dry my hair. Now I do not use a, what is it called? Oh my gosh. A heat protector on my hair because I don't normally, this is something I normally wouldn't do, is blow dry my hair. And like I said, I do this only when necessary. Even when I do this style trying to be under 2 hours, 2.5 hours, I will definitely go ahead and sit up under hair dryer and just wear something like this under the hair dryer and let it dry normally. And I always rough up my roots so my hair don't lay flat to my head, which is probably gonna lay pretty flat to my head this time because my relaxer is fresh, like maybe a week and a half old. So it's probably gonna lay. Okay, so that's me combing it out. And I'm gonna start blow drying, but I am just using an old Revlon blow dryer. And the highest heat is 1875 watts. 1800 watts. My head down to blow dry it so the hair can come up and hopefully it gives me more volume in my hair since my relaxer is so fresh. So fresh. So now I put my flat irons up here, and so I'm going to start with the back. So I'm going to just pull this part up basically just so I can start with the back of my hair. So, as you saw me starting to blow dry my hair, I stopped, and then I just started using the blow dryer to blow dry. The reason I stopped using my brush to blow dry my hair was so that I could take some of the moisture, take as much moisture out my hair as possible, and then go back and use the paddle brush and finish blow drying my hair that way. And the reason too for that is so well, not for that, but I was went back to the paddle brush trying to get my ends as straight as possible so I don't have to use, and I said the ends because I didn't try not to brush my roots too straight, so that I don't have to use so much heat on my hair. Like maybe 2 passes will be enough heat for me to use on my hair as I flat iron it, because like I said, I really do not, and I'm true to not using heat pretty much at all. But you know, there are those instances where you use heat, and I'm using it today for you guys, so it doesn't bother me. So I done kind of parted this down some, so I pretty much began and maybe 2 passes is the most I try to do. And that way I don't have to use my comb still. And in the back, I basically feel my way through the back of my head. So just finger it through and keep on going. And I always say, watch the temperature heat on your hair for, especially if your hair, if you have quite a bit of white or silver hair, because it's easy to scorch your hair. You just don't want to put too much heat on your hair anyway. Okay, so I'm gonna come back. I've gotten pretty far with this. Just gonna be in there a little more. So I've done both sides and I've done the back. So we're gonna check what the back look like thus far. Okay, that's what the back is looking like. Now, if you notice, my hair is shorter in the back, and then it comes longer as you get to the sides. That's a nice swing bob. I could have it higher up, but I'm trying to grow my hair out, as we've said before. So, okay, so I'm about in the same place on each side now. And let me begin here. Now, once I get closer to the top, I tend to, I'm so tall, guys. Take the hair and I take it straight up and then give it like a bend. I put my hand in there. I'm sorry I haven't do this one because I just, and then that way trying to pull it up off my scalp so I can have a little volume, which is not going to be much of volume into it, but because my hair is so straight. So this is where we at now. On norm, when I'm doing this without filming and talking, I can get this done in, let's say, an hour and a half. It takes me a little longer because I don't use the blow dryer, so it do take me a little longer. So it probably take me about like I said before, 2.5 hours. If I just used the blow dryer like I did tonight and wasn't talking to you guys, I could get this done. I could curve out, snatch an hour off there real easy. So it's just depending on how you're doing it and what you're using and stuff. Now at this point, you know, I'm gonna comb it out, but we're gonna take a quick look around again, see what we look like. So this is the left side. That's the back again. This is the left. And we're gonna go ahead and comb her out. Now, you might like your hair to be more, I guess, flat. I don't care for my hair to be flat on my head like that. I don't care if my part is straight. I don't care if my part is crooked. It doesn't bother me. That does not bother me at all. Either or. You know, I gotta look what y'all see, what y'all see. Okay, get my comb. So that's that. Then here we go to the back. And I'm a messy hair kind of girl. I don't have to have precise hair. For nighttime care, you can wrap this hairstyle. And then the more you wrap it, you know, the flatter it gets to your head. So I tend to just go to bed with my bonnet and I pull my hair back like this. And then just put my bonnet on. Get up in the morning, comb it out, and keep it going. Earrings and stuff. I hope you're all okay with me not having makeup on. But it's hard to do my hair with makeup. Besides, I wash my hair in the shower today. So, but yeah. This is it. Under an hour and a half you gotta go. You still would look nice. And then I do this. I wear my hair a lot. With one side behind my ear. You know, they're wearing a lot of hair barrettes. This is a clip, I know. Just think about that. You can wear a little hair barrette so you can get away with it. Even doing a trend and wear your hair barrette, which I have some there in the other room. But I do have some. And then I do that. But yeah, that's that. And that's how I your hair doing 2 hours and come out looking good. This is it, girls. I would like to thank you guys for watching today. Thank you for spending your time with me. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to thank you for coming by today. But more than that, I would appreciate it if you were to go ahead and click the subscribe button. If you like this video, first of all. There's many more of those. If you want to just scroll through there and see those old videos and catch up on what I've been doing, you know, I hate doing the end. I get to the end and it always gets so awkward. Okay, let's do this one more time. Well, that's the end of today's video. I would like to thank you guys for stopping by and spending time with me today. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new, thank you for coming by. And if you like what you saw on my channel today, if you will just take that time to just click that subscribe button, don't forget to hit that bell for a notification of any time I'm putting up a new video. And for my old times subbies, thank you. I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. And don't forget to follow me on 2 Chic Chicks over on Instagram. I would like to thank you all again, and I look forward to seeing you guys in the next video. Thank you, and you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.